Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another tutorial on this look using Reina del Caribe palette from Alamar Cosmetics. If you guys like it, then please keep watching. To start, I'm going to use the black shade from my Pat McGrath palette because this one didn't have any, and I'm just going to place it in a rounded shape like this. I'm doing so because I'll be cutting the crease and I like the color in the crease to be really intense. I'm also going to apply some black on the outer corner. Next I'm going to go with the shade Cafecito, and using a small blending brush, this one is Morphe 506, I'm applying it over the black eyeshadow. Make sure not to bring it up too high because we will be going with a lighter shade. Next I'm going to go with the shade Cocoa Taxi and I'm going to blend out the edges of the brown shade. I'm using another Morphe 506 brush. Make sure to only apply more product on the edge of the brown shade, and then when you have barely anything left on the brush, you want to blend it out towards the brow. I'm going to apply a little bit more of translucent powder underneath my eye to protect my base from any fallout. Using Morphe E36 brush, I'm applying black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Basically, I'll be doing the same steps using the same brushes on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going with the shade Cafecito and Cocoa Taxi after that. When blending out my lower lash line, I like to go around just like that to make sure that all the colors are connected. And finally, you see me going with the shade Cocoa Taxi, doing the same thing. To highlight, I'll be going with the shade La Costa. Next, I'm going to cut the crease using my Born This Way concealer from Too Faced, and I'm using Anastasia number 18 concealer brush. I have hooded eyes, so you can see me going a little bit higher than my natural crease. This way the shimmer on the lid is not going to transfer above my crease. Next I'm going with the shade El Malecon and I'm going to apply it all over the lid. First I'm using my finger and then I'm going to switch to a flat synthetic brush, which is also by Alamar Cosmetics. I'm using a pointed crease brush with a little bit of the brown eyeshadow to clean up. Now I'm going with the shade Cafecito and Morphe 506 brush, and by gently tapping, I'm just blending it into that shimmer. Using the same shade La Costa, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. For my waterline, I'll be using Marc Jacobs highliner in the shade In the Buff. I'm going to apply some eyeliner along my lash line just to help me hide the lash band. I'm using Dagger tattoo liner from Kat Von D. And finally, I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and our look is complete. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more tutorials. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!